Hi children, today we are going to learn about rational numbers, exercise 1.2, one example problem and 1.2 exercise problems. Let us see. In the example 8, write any 5 rational numbers between -3 and 0. This is the question given in our example 8. So what we have to do here, you can write 5 rational numbers between -3 and 0. -3 is also a rational number, 0 is also a rational number. So -2, -1, only 2 integer numbers are there between -3 and 0. Leave the 2 numbers, -3 and 0 leave, remaining numbers are -2 and 1 only. So that's why we have to write 5 decimal numbers. So we can write in this form. -3 can be written as -30 by 10. So if you cancel 0 and 0, this is -3. And 0 can be written as 0 by 10. So denominators are equal. So to write rational numbers, first we have to make equal denominator numbers. So then -30 by 10 to 0 by 10. Between these, so many numbers are there. -29 by 10, -28 by 10, -27 by 10, etc. -2 by 10, -1 by 10. Next one is 0 by 10. So 0 by 10 we have to write between -30 by 10 and 0 by 10. So among these you can write any 5 numbers. So you can write -29 by 10, -28 by 10, -27 by 10, and -26 by 10, and -25 by 10. Or you can write any of these numbers. There are so many numbers in between. You can write. So this is the way to write 5 rational numbers between -3 and 0. So in exercise, first question, represent 9 by 7 on number line. How can we represent 9 by 7 on number line? Solution, divide each unit, that is 0 to 1 or 1 to 10, 1 to 2 into 7 equal parts on number line. So represent 9 by 7, we have to represent 9 by 7, so that's why we have divided the unit into 7 equal parts. Let us see. So this is the number line. So first one is 0 and second one is 1 and 2 and -1. So let it be numbers on the number line. Now each unit, 0 to 1 is a unit, 1 to 2 is a unit, 0 to -1 is a unit. Divide each unit into 7 equal parts, because 9 by 7 we want 9 by 7. So that's why you divide these 7 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal parts. So those are 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 and 7 by 7, that is 1. 8 by 7, 9 by 7, 10 by 7, 11 by 7, 12 by 7, 13 by 7, 14 by 7 is 2. Similarly, on the left side, -1 by 7, -2 by 7, -3 by 7, -4 by 7, -5 by 7, -6 by 7, -7 by 7 is -1. So we observe that minus numbers to right side, numerators are decreasing. Decreasing means number decreasing, but the sign represents it increasing. -6 by 7 is less than -5 by 7. -5 by 7 is less than -4 by 7. So the right side number is greater than left side number. Any number, you take this number minus 6 by 7 and minus 5 by 7. This is right side. This is greater than minus 6 by 7. Minus 4 by 7 is greater than minus 5 by 7. Minus 3 by 7 is greater than minus 4 by 7. Minus 1 by 7 is greater than minus 2 by 7. 0 is greater than minus 1 by 7. Like that, 1 by 7 is greater than 0. 2 by 7 is greater than 1 by 7. 2 is greater than 13 by 7. So now we want to 9 by 7. Where is 9 by 7? This is 9 by 7. So round this. So this is the way to represent the required number on this number line. So this is the required number on number line. So students, understand? Yes, you can understand and you can write in your notebook. So next one, in first Roman, second problem is there. Represent minus 7 by 5 on number line. Again, divide each unit into 5 equal parts. Because the denominator is 5, you have to divide into 5 equal parts. Again, take number line 0, 1, 2, minus 1 and minus 2. So now each unit you can divide into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. So 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. This is 5 by 5, 1. 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5. This is 10 by 5, that is 2. Similarly, left side minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 4 by 5, minus 5 by 5, minus 6 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 9 by 5, minus 10 by 5. Now we have to represent minus 7 by 5. So where is minus 7 by 5? Yes, this is minus 7 by 5. Put a circle. Yes. So this is the way to represent rational numbers on number line. Okay. So next, go to second question. Represent minus 2 by 13, 5 by 13, minus 9 by 13 on number line. How many parts you have to divide here? 13 parts, not 24. Only 13 parts. You have to divide this each unit into 13 parts on number line. So take the number line and again 0, 1, 2, minus 1 and so on. So write equal 13 equal parts. 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 4 by 13, 5 by 13, 6 by 13 and 7 by 13 and so on. Similarly, left side minus 1 by 13, minus 2 by 13, minus 3 by 13, minus 4, minus 5 by 13, minus 6 by 13, minus 7 by 13, minus 8 by 13, minus 9 by 13, minus 10 by 13, minus 11 by 13, minus 12 by 13, minus 13 by 13, that is minus 1. We want minus 2 by 13, 5 by 13, this is 5 by 13. And next minus 2 by 13, this is minus 2 by 13. And minus 9 by 13, this is minus 9 by 13. So these are the numbers on the number line when we represent the given numbers on number line. So you write here, children, this is not 24. This is 13. Okay. So that is 13. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. We have to write 5 rational numbers smaller than 5 by 6. How can we write? Let us see. Now we want to find 5 rational numbers smaller than 5 by 6. So we write these rational numbers with denominators 5 plus 1, 6. So 0. 0 by 6 means 0. 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6. These are all less than 5 by 6. Or you can write minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6 also. So these are the rational numbers which are less than 5 by 6. We want only 5. So these are count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's enough. So you can say 5 rational numbers less than 5 by 6 is 0 less than 1 by 6 is less than 2 by 6 is less than 3 by 6 is less than 4 by 6 is less than 5 by 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 rational numbers which is less than 5 by 6. Okay. So now next question. Find 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. We want 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. Just you take normal number line. There are only 1 and 0 between -1 and 2. That is the integral natural number, integral number line. But here we want 12. So that's why we take 12 plus denominator is 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Here also they wrongly noted that this is not 24. So this is 13. 13. Okay. So now we want to find rational numbers between -1 and 2. We write these rational numbers with the denominator 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So -1 you can write it as -13 by 13 and 2 can be written as 26 by 13. So now you can write rational numbers between -13 by 13 and 26 by 13. So those are -12 by 13, -11 by 13, -10 by 13, -9 by 13, -8 by 13, -7 by 13, -6 by 13, -5 by 13, -4 by 13, -3 by 13, -2 by 13, -1 by 13, 0 by 13, 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 4 by 13, etc. 25 by 13. You can write any 12 from these. So many numbers are there. You can write 12 for this rational numbers between -1 and 2. So this is the easy way to write rational numbers. Just change the denominators of the numbers and write it in the rationalized form. Then you can write continuous numbers. Next one, find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So here two numbers are there, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Here we apply another method, that is mean method. Only we want one rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So what is the mean method? Just you add these two numbers and divide it by 2. That is mean method. A number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 divided by 2. So what is the LCM of 3 and 4? That is 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Now a number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 is 4 into 2. These two you can multiply. 2 into 4 8 and 3 into 3 9 by 12 and by 2. So this is 4 into 2 8, 3 into 3 9 by this denominators are multiplied 12 into 2. So that is 17 by 24. The rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 is 17 by 24. Now go to next question. Find 10 rational numbers between -3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So let us start with the 10 rational numbers. So 10 rational numbers. So we have the rational numbers -3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Now we will write rational numbers with the denominator 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So you can write 12 also. Now we take 24 here. So -3 by 4. So you can change the denominator as 24. How can we change? If you multiply the denominator with 6, you get 24. Yeah, immediately you have to multiply numerator by 6. So the number 3 by 4 is equal to -3 into 6 by 4 into 6. That is -18 by 24. So and 5 by 6. Another number is 5 by 6. How can we change this 6 as 24? Yes, you have to multiply with 4. So numerator with 4 and denominator with 4. 5 into 4 by 6 into 4. That is 20 by 24. Now we have two numbers, minus 18 by 24 plus 20 by 24. So now rational numbers between minus 18 by 24 and 20 by 24 are minus 17 by 24, minus 16 by 24, minus 15 by 24 and so on, minus 11 by 24, minus 10 by 24 and so on, minus 1 by 24, 0 by 24, 1 by 24, 2 by 24 and so on, 19 by 24. So you can write any 10 from these. So many numbers are there, you can write only 10 numbers from these. You can take as 12 also here. Then the denominator is, you have to multiply 4 with 3. 12. 4 into 3, 12. Minus 3 into 3, 9. So this is 9 by 12. It makes 9 by 12. Similarly here, you have to multiply with 2. 10, 5 into 2, 10 by 6 into 2, 12. 10 by 12. So you can write that side. You will try that. So this is the problems in your exercise 1.2. Children, note these questions and practice these questions.